Dental plans for seniors. Hi, this is Kathy Bukowski. I'm the owner of CV Health Insurance and the CV Health Insurance YouTube channel. And today's video is going to cover dental plans for seniors. Many seniors are already on Medicare. They're retired and Medicare is their primary insurance. So really what they want to know is, does Medicare cover dental? And the quick and down dirty answer is no. For most procedures, services, any supplies, it is not going to be covered. And you can find that right in your Medicare guide for you under what's not covered. You can also search on the Medicare.gov website, but I'm telling you it's not going to be covered. So the next question is, how do I get coverage for dental? Because procedures anywhere from cleanings to fillings to caps to crowns to root canals can be very expensive, especially on seniors that are on a retirement budget, very fixed budget. So there's actually 3 ways that you can get coverage for these types of procedures. The first way is with dental insurance, purchasing a standalone dental insurance policy. And these can be PPOs or HMOs, where there's a network of doctors and you are truly covered. This is insurance, you pay a premium, and you might have a deductible, copay, co-insurance. Typically there's an annual max and there's a waiting period for major services. But that's the first way. The second way is dental discount plans. Dental discount plans are not insurance. They're just like being a member of an association or other benefit. You have to become a member and then you will get discounts when you go to certain providers. They can be substantial, anywhere from as low as 10, 20% up to 50 to 70% for some procedures. So that's a good option. And it's usually an annual membership. There's also no waiting period, so that's a huge bonus. Last but not least, you can look at a Medicare Advantage plan with dental coverage. I've talked about Medicare Advantage plans. There are 2 other videos. Please be sure to watch them. One is Medicare Advantage plans, what is it? And the other is Medicare Advantage versus Medicare Supplement. But you can only purchase those plans during the annual open enrollment. Now, some of them have very decent benefits. They can have coverage that looks like the individual insurance that you can buy with an annual max of $1,000, coverage in all categories from preventative to basic to major, and in some cases no waiting periods. So that's a really good option. But let's talk about, how do you find a good dental insurance plan? Well, there's a number of options on our website, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. How to shop for dental insurance on our website. Here I am at our home page, which is cvhealthins.com. And if you go over to the far right in the toolbar here, you see self-service. We want to scroll down to individual dental. And what pops up is this page here, and I'm going to scroll down and show you, maybe get rid of my head here, on the options for dental insurance. Remember, HMO and PPO are true insurance. In the case of an HMO, there's no waiting periods. You have immediate coverage. There's no annual maximums, very low office code, low cost for the premium, but you do have to use the network of dentists, and you must sign up for one. So that's what an HMO is. If you go out of network, no benefits. PPO options is going to be in-network, out-of-network. It's immediate coverage for preventative, usually an annual max of $1,000. They will have a deductible, but a lot of times it is waived for preventative, and coverage for all categories, including preventative, basic, and major, but typically there's going to be a waiting period for major. And last but not least, we have dental discount, which is not insurance, as I had mentioned. If we click on the toothbrushes, we will see what options we have. For the HMO, we're actually directed to the Humana website because Humana is the only one that I know of that has in our area dental HMO plan. So if we want to shop around, we want to hit the enroll, and we want to put in our zip code. So 60126, oops, we're not going to give feedback right now, is my zip code. I can put in my birth date, and do I want to add my dependents? No, I'm just shopping for me at this time. So what will come up is actually Humana has several plans, and the first thing that comes up is compare these different dental plans. There's one that's called preventative value, and this is basic and preventative coverage only. There is no major coverage, and it's a very affordable price. If we scroll down, then there's the Bright Plus plan. This is a little bit more money and a little bit more extensive coverage. And then there's the Complete Dental, which is the best coverage you can buy, but it also has a price tag that reflects that. Now, one of the things they don't tell you is even though I clicked on the HMO button on my website, we're actually looking at the PPOs. But there's filters on the left. So if I do the drop down, I can do it by price, which we're already doing it. I can do it by plan and say, show me the HMO. And there is an HMO plan, and it looks like this. It's called the Dental Value C550. And there you see the price. Remember, dental HMO, you have to pick a provider. So if we scroll down, we can actually search for dentists. Actually, the button's up here, and put in our zip code and see who's available, who's accepting patients. Or we can go back and we can enroll in one of the PPOs. Now, going back to my website, you notice there was a PPO option. If I click that toothbrush, I'm going to see a couple of companies come up. Aetna is one. You can download the application and information. Blue Cross is another. And then there's Delta Dental and Humana. Both the Delta Dental and Humana have an online application. We were just on the Humana site. But if you want to look at Delta Dental, their network is pretty extensive. A lot of dentists take them. You can actually go shop online and apply online. And my recommendation to you is if you have a dentist already, ask them, do you take Aetna? Do you take Blue Cross? Do you take Delta Dental? Because if they're not in the network, you're not going to have great benefits. Last but not least, we have the dental discount. The dental discount plans are no waiting periods, and they're not insurance. They're actually discounts. But if I put in my zip code and shop here, it's going to show there's quite a few plans in the area, 20 different plans. From Cigna Plus Savings Plan to the Aetna plan, I can actually see that there's 15 to 50% discounts on all kinds of procedures. I can view what those procedures are. I can find a dentist. And oh, by the way, here's the annual premium. This is an annual membership that you sign up for and typically cannot stop mid-year. But there's some significant benefits. So if you can find a dentist in these networks, this is a great, affordable option for a lot of people to save some money on dental procedures. Again, feel free to go to our website, drop down to the individual dental tab, and check out these 3 options for dental coverage. So now you know how to shop for an individual dental insurance plan or a discount plan on our website. You see the prices, you can look up dentists, shop till you drop. The third option to get dental coverage would be a Medicare Advantage plan. So you have to do that during the annual open enrollment. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please make sure you like it, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned to the next video. This is Kathy Bukowski, the owner of CB Health Insurance.